Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring the Thermal Resistance Interactive Calculator, a tool that solves heat transfer problems by calculating thermal resistances in various configurations. Whether you're designing insulation systems, heat sinks, or analyzing thermal barriers, this calculator handles the math instantly. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll see the calculation mode dropdown. Your options are conduction resistance for layer thickness, heat flow rate from temperature difference, temperature drop across resistance, series resistance for multiple layers, parallel resistance for multiple paths, and convection resistance. For today's demonstration, we'll select conduction resistance. With this mode selected, you'll see three input fields appear: thickness in meters, thermal conductivity in watts per meter Kelvin, and area in square meters. Each field shows placeholder values to guide your input. Let's work through a real example. Imagine we're calculating the thermal resistance of a fiberglass insulation panel. I'll enter 0.1 meters for thickness, representing a 10 centimeter panel. For thermal conductivity, I'll input 0.04, which is typical for fiberglass. For area, let's use 5 square meters, representing a wall section. The calculator instantly provides the thermal resistance result in Kelvin per watt. In this case, we get 0.5 Kelvin per watt. This tells us how much temperature difference exists across the insulation for each watt of heat flowing through it. Remember, a common mistake is mixing unit systems. Always use SI units, meters, not inches, watts, not BTUs. Find the link in the description below.